Start off by scraping the old caulk out with your scraper. And after, tape off the bottom and the top part of the area that you will be applying your caulk. This way it does not smear over. And that way you can have a clean finish. And then you pipe in the caulk into the space. And then peel off the tape, and you see that your caulk will be in the area where you placed it. And then you have to tape it off again for painting the surface. I'm using a little paint I got from a local home improvement store. It was $3. It was a glossy white paint. So make sure you tape it off again for the paint job to be done. You want to paint in one direction and continue to do the same to cover the caulk that was piped in. Now it takes about 30 minutes for the caulk to dry, so you want to start painting after the caulk has dried up. Peel the tape off when the paint has dried up. And then clean the surface where you'll be applying your sheet film. I cleaned mine with just regular soap and a sponge. And then later I used Clorox wipes to wipe off the surface. Measure the space where you'll be applying your sheet film before you cut. And then peel off the back of the film and begin to apply on the surface. You want to make sure you use a beauty knife to press the film down, and also this helps to take out any air bubbles that may form underneath. You definitely don't want the air bubbles to form underneath, so do well to use your beauty knife, a plastic one of course. I went ahead to do the same for my refrigerator because I wanted to give it a stainless steel look. So I got a stainless steel film sheet from Faux Decor, and I applied it just as I applied the Granite sheet film. The Faux Decor sheet film is very sticky, so you want to be very careful when applying the product. So this is the before, and this is the after. I hope you'll be able to do this by yourselves at home. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a message.